If you are looking to be involved in Sadaqah Jariyah, you are in the right place. Because at SRF, we are all about Sadaqah Jariyah. In a short period before Ramadan, we distributed 2,500 Qur'ans across the UK, Sudan, Somalia and Uganda to places where they'll be used regularly. We also sent 300 books of knowledge to individuals around the world and built 7 deep water wells to serve thousands of people across Uganda.
Brothers and sisters, did you donate and get a share of all of those ongoing deeds, or did you miss out? And will you continue to allow yourself to miss out?
In the coming weeks and months, we are making plans to build more wells, distribute more books, and provide more Qur'ans to Hifz students across Ghana, Uganda and Kenya, inshallah. If you regularly want a share of all the Sadaqah Jariyah work we do, then click the link below to set up a monthly donation and build your Jannah with SRF.